Hey guys, it's Gina. I purchased this milk frother egg beater and I want to share it with you. If you are like me and you are either wanting to froth milk in the mornings, if you are like I wanted it for powdered drink mixes, energy drink type mixes that I am mixing with water, and I want to make sure they're thoroughly mixed before I start drinking them. If you're somebody who likes to whip or froth your milk, and it even comes with an attachment to beat your eggs before you scramble them. If you are looking for something to kind of help speed up that process, this is a great gadget for you. And I will tell you why I picked out this one specifically. So this does not require batteries. It has a rechargeable battery inside. It comes with a cord where you simply will plug it in. Comes with this little USB charging cable. Charge seems to stay for a long time. I've had it charged up for a week. I've been using it. I still haven't had to recharge it. I want to show you. The first one is and it has 3 different speeds. So that's low, medium, and high. And then of course you just hold the power button and it will turn off. The second attachment again is for whipping up eggs. I think you can even use this for whipping cream. Let me show you. It's so cool. There again is medium and high. You can see it's not that loud either. I would say it's fairly quiet, but I want to show you close up and we will see how well it whips up my water and my drink mix. I'm going to go ahead and add water. I do have my powder drink mix in here and we will see how well it mixes up. So I'm going to start it on low. And hold that up close. You can see how well it is. To give you a good idea, let's just go ahead and put it on medium. And then I'm going to put it on high. It's actually I feel like it's going to make this drink mix a little foamy, and I don't need it to be foamy. Let's go ahead and turn it off. I will say that that mixed up extremely well because of the type of drink mix it was. I did not need to put it on high. You can see how much foam was created in here. And again, I didn't need foam in this drink, but I did turn it up to high. But wow, look at all that foam that it generated just from this drink mix with water.